What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Now, Bitcoin ETFs, first day of trading, but why is the price of Bitcoin not skyrocketing as everyone predicted? Well, I've got you covered. I'm going to let you know exactly what's been going on and what to expect with the price of Bitcoin over the coming days and weeks. So all of that in this video. Make sure you subscribe to keep up to date with everything going on in the cryptocurrency market and smash that like button. Turn that thumb into something you're proud of. And with that being said, let's take a look at the overall market. So day one of trading spot Bitcoin ETFs, 11 approved. The only one at the minute, Hashdex, did not get converted. They are still waiting for approval from the SEC. So it was 10 that went live. We're still waiting for that Hashdex conversion to happen. But 46,299. Now, we did top $49,000 on Bitcoin. Our overall market cap at 177. Here's coming to interesting facts. $129 billion worth of volume running through the global markets and 3.1% up. So a very good day overall in the cryptocurrency space. And like we said on a number of my live streams, I actually live streamed the launch yesterday, a historic day for everyone involved in cryptocurrency. But the big question, what everyone's been asking me today, why is the price of Bitcoin not moving? Well, here is the first thing I want to show you. GBTC, Grayscales, remember, converted fund into an ETF, saw $2.25 billion worth of volume. BlackRock predicted to bring $2 billion, maybe even a bit more into the market, about $1 billion. Fidelity, ARK21 and Bitwise, all of which trading significantly on the first. $4.58 billion worth of volume running through those ETFs on day one. This is the problem. We see GBTC, this was a conversion, and the expectation or the view is a lot of their volume has come from selling. That's right. They converted their ETF. They made sure that ultimately they got in, and then potentially we see selling volume giving the price of Bitcoin. And it kind of makes sense if you think about it. We hit 49K and ultimately then got brought back down. So it says here, a lot of volume for the 10 new ETFs would have been due to buying as the new shares had to be created first, but not all. There have been selling as the volatile day progressed, and we saw that if you look at the smallest time frames, you can see it says here for GBTC. However, potentially even all of it was selling as their fee is extremely high, 1.5% compared to 0.25 for most of the new issuers, many of whom have waived fees completely for the first 6 months. So we know many of them have said no fees whatsoever, even some going in at 0.25. Still, GBTC sits at 1.5%. So actually the volume could be completely due to the fact that people are moving out of that GBTC fund and moving into something else. So very, very interesting and very worthwhile thinking about, given that potential volatility and equally that volume. Now, like I said, we did see some significant volume coming into the market. We will see, I am sure, some more. There was also a further development, which is here. Bitcoin ETF shut out Vanguard and Merrill Lynch deny customers access. Now, this is very interesting. Their own money not being able to use to buy into the Bitcoin ETFs. Both have said they will not do it. Now, in fairness, Merrill are waiting to see how this all plays out. Vanguard ultimately saying, no, we're not interested in those spot ETFs. Now, never say never is certainly a terminology well worth to know in the cryptocurrency space. That doesn't mean, given the volume coming in and the potential, that they won't list them. But, and I quote here, Vanguard, one of the largest asset managers in the world, made its stance clear even before the regulatory approval. The firm stated that it has no intention of offering a spot Bitcoin ETF or any other crypto-related products, citing a weak investment case for digital assets. Similar to kind of what Gary Gensler was saying, they don't endorse Bitcoin. The reality is, though, 10 ETFs are now live and over $4 billion trading on those ETFs. So very, very good news. So let's take a look at the price. What do we got? 46,393. We expected post-markets we might get a little bit further run on Bitcoin, not to be the case. However, for me, the big day is tonight. Asian markets open. What do they do? Tomorrow, trading opens for day 2 of our spot Bitcoin ETFs. Are we about to see a significant move? Has all the selling pressure come out of GBTC? Is Hashdex going to get the conversion approved? And then are we truly going to start to see it? Remember, $1 billion still to come in from BlackRock. So this is going to be a longer term plan. Remember, we've looked at that gold chart. You initially see a cool off. Why? Because people expect a 10x overnight, not happens. Then we start to see just the price continue to move to the upside. We will never have another opportunity like this. Are we going to get some more? Maybe. Are we going to have less? Quite possibly. It's all a bit speculative at the minute, but definitely day two is going to be one to look at. Bitcoin, again, might go on another rally as the volume requires it, therefore potentially breaking up. We are seeing altcoins, however, having a very good ride. Ethereum up about 0.5%. We see Casper up nearly 2%. We actually saw XRP rallying over 60 cents earlier as the expectation of an ETF for XRP and Ethereum grows. But right now, it is all about Bitcoin. It's all about those ETFs. What's my view? Don't panic. I think it's very normal. Again, we'll try and bring you the latest with that GBTC fund. Were they selling? Is this what's pushing down the market? Conversion or even moving to other ETFs? I think a lot's going to be ironed out. It's going to be very volatile. So be careful if you're trading. It's highly recommended to do so. As ever, let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? Do you think it was GBTC? Do you think it was all by the rumor or sell the news? I'm always interested to know your thoughts. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Join us. Links in the description. Definitely worthwhile. Smash that like button. And I'm going to see you all in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.